Hello guys, I'm Engineer Abdullah. Here we go again. Today I'm gonna explain composite functions. As you see, for example, f of x composited with g of x is equal f of g of x. We need to substitute g of x in every single x of x. So the domain equals the value of x, which make both functions definite. Let's say this example, f of x equal x plus 1. This is a polynomial function, and this g of x is square root of x. What's the f of x composited with g of x? We need to substitute g of x in every single x in f of x. We take the square root of x and substitute it here, so the function will become square root of x plus 1. It will become like this. G equal square root of x plus 1. Domain is gonna be equal from 0 to infinity, as you see. And range is gonna be from 1 to infinity. To make sure our answer is correct, go to GeoGebra right here, plus 1 arrow. As you see, the range is from 1 to infinity and the domain from 0 to infinity. So my answer is correct. Let's see another example. This answer is correct. Let's see another example. F of x equal x plus 1 and g of x equal 3x and h of x equal 4 minus x. So if composited with g composited with h, we need to take this and substitute here in this x. It's gonna be like this, 3 multiplied by 4 minus x, and then take this and substitute it here, so it's gonna be like this, 3 4 minus x plus 1. What's the domain? Domain is from minus infinity to infinity, and the range from minus infinity to infinity, because it's a polynomial function. Let's see the last and the hardest question for today. If of x equal x, it's a rational function. This is a rational function, and g of x is also a rational function, and h of x is a square root function. If I need to find this if composited with G, then composite it with H, I really need to find this first. We need to take this H and substitute here. Everybody know, square gonna go with square root, and it will become 2 minus x, and the denominator 2 minus x plus 1 is gonna be 3 minus x. Then we take this and substitute it here. In f of x, we need to substitute this function in every single x. As you see, we substitute it here. Then we need to multiply here by the same denominator here. This gonna go with this 2 plus 6, 8 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3x multiplied by 7 minus 2x. You know, every rational function, as I said in last lecture, the denominator is gonna be all real numbers without the zeros of denominator. The zeros of the denominator is equal 7 multiplied by 2. If I want to find the range, I need to find limit x approach to infinity and limit x approach to minus infinity. As you see, the vertical asymptote is about 7 divided by 2, and the horizontal asymptote is gonna be 3 by 2. So the range is from minus infinity to infinity without 3 divided by 2, because it's the horizontal asymptote. To make sure my answer is correct, I really need to go to GeoGebra. Minus 3x multiplied by 7 minus 2x. Enter. As you see here, the vertical asymptote is between 2 and 1, so it's 1.5, and the horizontal asymptote is gonna be between 2 and 1, so it's 1.5, and the vertical asymptote is between 3 and 4. It's 3.5. 7 divided by 2, as you see here, is 3.5. So the domain is from minus infinity to infinity without this vertical asymptote 3.5, and the horizontal asymptote is minus infinity to infinity without the horizontal asymptote 1.5. So my answer is correct. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.